Diocese of Pagadian, Certificate of Appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Christopher Bungraho in grateful recognition of his generous and dedicated sharing of his giftedness to the local church of Pagadian, especially in his key role in the Reduction Committee and Secretariat, and sharing to us his expertise on PBDRRM during the Diocesan Pastoral Assembly 3 Part 2 held at the Diocesan Pastoral Center, Pagadian City on April 13 to 16, 2015. Given the 16th day of April 2015 at the Bishop's House, Balangasan, Pagadian City. Signed, Father Miguel Kahana, Diocesan Pastoral Coordinator, Most Reverend Emmanuel T. Capaharo, CSRTD, Bishop of Pagadian.